will explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.8, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Categories and you can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 2. Category 3. Category 4. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the property is superb and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. All categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Reviews and offers are available online for this property, along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can also view the link provided in the description.